It's never too early to start decorating for Christmas, and one of my favorite traditions is decorating with my Lemax collectible houses. Each year, I create a unique village, and I'm excited because new this year is the Wintergarten hanging facade that's available at Michael's. Today, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can hang and decorate with the brand new facade, plus the accessories that go with it. We're going to get started at the fireplace, and I'm going to show you some creative ways to create your very own villages at home with my favorite Lemax collectibles new for 2020. New in the Lemax collection this year at Michael's stores is the Wintergarten hanging facade plus accessories. What I love about this piece is it's lightweight, easy to hang directly on the wall through this pre-made hole that works great with a large flathead nail or screw. And we're going to style it 3 different ways, starting with our fireplace. Make sure that you nail or screw into a stud so that it's nice and sturdy to hang your facade. Check out how cool it is once you turn on the lights. All right, here's some other tips to decorate your fireplace mantle. Use household items or things you'll find in the organization aisle at Michael's to create raised levels. I've got a plastic container that I'm setting upside down. I'm going to put my accessory. I'm going to use some of my snow that I found in the Christmas aisle to cover up that container and give it a wintry look. Fill in your mantle with things like pieces of garland and ornaments, as well as the Lemax holiday accessories. The Jolly Trolley is the perfect Lemax accessory to add an interactive component to your mantle. Set the track up and watch the magic happen. I love the crystal lighted trees. All you need to do is set up the battery pack, turn it on, hide the wires and the pack with pieces of garland, and you can use your smaller houses like the Hansel and Gretel sweet shop to also hide those wires and create the perfect setup on the shelf. Another great place to decorate is a side table and the wall above it. You can easily hang your facade with this quick DIY. I picked up a piece of garland in the Christmas aisle at Michael's. I laid my Wintergarten facade on the table, wrapped the garland around it, secured it in the form of a wreath using floral wire. Doesn't it make the perfect complement hanging on the wall around our facade? On the side table, I stacked a variety of different books so that I could display my Tannenbaum clock tower. Check out how cool it is. The actual hands of the clock rotate. One last tip to bring this display together is create levels within your display by using a trunk or a decorative box. I love that we can put this entire Lemax collection display together in under 30 minutes. If you want to get a little extra creative, grab a large frame and create your very own hanging village. For this frame, we started off and I created some personalized messages using my cutting machine and vinyl. At the top, I added "'Tis the Season to Be Merry," and then I added our family name at the bottom. Keep in mind I used removable vinyl, so when the holiday season is over, I can easily take it off my wall. Finish off your hanging village by putting your smaller houses and accessories on floating shelves. I don't know about you, but this is probably the most unique village I've created with my Lemax collection. I can't wait to see what village setups you create with your Lemax collection. Make sure you share them with us in Michael's by using #MakeItWithMichaels. And you can shop all of these Lemax collection products, including the hanging facade, at michaels.com or in store. And remember, you can always shop online and do curbside pickup. Happy holidays!